All right, let's check out the final product. All right, so they give you the Allen wrench to put the whole system together. You get these nice sturdy benches, if you guys can see it. Two beautiful benches, pair, as you can see, and then a nice beautiful marble looking, but it's actually wood marble looking table. All right, and it's well retrofitted with actually all the angles nice and tight, so they give you everything you need. You don't need any tools whatsoever. The Allen wrench is included in the whole combination that you see in here. Beautiful eye view, if you guys can see that. The benches themselves are nice and sturdy. Nice beautiful looking bench. You could come here at night, relax, put a candlelight dinner or something and relax, eat your enjoy your. You can work outside on a beautiful day like today. You can work outside, enjoy the view, and have a lot of good times actually enjoying the outside and the combination of the work environment too on the actual bench itself. Look how beautiful it is. And it actually holds itself very tight, very strong, sturdy, easy to set up. It doesn't take a lot of real estate. It's just a little area where you can have enough where you could work on two laptops side by side, or two drinks, or two meals. So as you can see, you can enjoy your day outside, playing your games, doing your work, enjoying yourself with a nice bench. And you can have a partner if you want to sit down. In this case, we have a partner in the floor. So real enjoyable area, real relaxing, nice breeze outside. Look how beautiful it looks at night. An LED light in here. So if you're gonna wine and dine outside, you can use this table for all social occasions. Put it by your pool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.